What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time. I'm fairly certain I say that every video, but I wanted to share some tips and tricks that I found with installing a hydro-ebrake. And I have a GoPro on in order to help show exactly what I'm talking about. So let's get into it. Alright, so this is how it'll look once everything is at least somewhat buttoned up. You know, I've got it pretty much good to go here. You can kind of see, hopefully you can kind of see the bracket back in here, and then obviously the two calipers, your normal one and then the hydro one. Yeah, so I'll take it to the other side. So one of the key things to note is that you have to remove this bolt here. So it's kind of a pain, and what I ended up doing is I cut first. So you cut from here to here down and clean that up, and then I was able to put a C-clamp over this, and I had to get-over it. So it was a C-clamp with some vice grips in order to push this through, but also in order to retain this bracket. Let me grab a piece here. So took this and this. This was my C-clamp, just a cheap run-of-the-mill C-clamp. This here. So what I did is I took some 3/4 inch PVC that I just had this laying around, and they're obviously not cut very well, but you cut them up and you put them over this like that. One of these is a little more snug, I think, but you can put it over like that, and what that helps with is keeping this bracket where it should be, because you risk, you have to keep tension on it so that the bolt can come back out. So that's pretty much it. This is all the guts and internals for the e-brake itself. I'm not gonna retain this for right now. I'm gonna just run with hydro-ebrake. I don't daily the car. So I'm gonna see if I'm okay with doing that, but yeah, we'll kind of just go from there. And then we'll end up drilling here and going from there. But that's all I wanted to show, is that you can come around here, bolt on the back, so when this is cut, this fits, and you're able to push that out. So I had this part on the hub, this part here on the hub, and then I had this on the back side of the bolt that I'm pushing out. Then I used, you can see it's all, again, super ghetto rig, but it's what I had laying around. So, and it popped right out, no big deal. If it's harder for you because it's super old or rusted, PB blast that first and should be good.